Welcome to WP Theme Tutorial. Today we're going to look at local testing with Virtualbox on OS X and MAMP. So when you're going to build a site and you need to test display in other browsers, specifically on Windows and Mac, typically I guess what you're going to do is push the site to live or staging server and then double check everything. Now that can work if you're going to edit the files live on the site, but I always develop locally and I deploy with Beanstalk automatically. On top of that, I'm also using CodeKit to compile my less down to CSS. So when I'm testing, I'd have to make a change, deploy it all via Beanstalk or FTP it up, and then I have to look to make sure it was right. That's going to kill a lot of my time. What we actually want to do is test our local install through Virtualbox. So what I've got here is a site I'm working on called Martinique. And you can see I've typed in here local.martinique.org. So it looks like it's actually on my local site, but it's actually not. If I hover over About, then we look down in the bottom corner, you can see it says www.martinique.org/overview. So it's not actually testing my local environment, and we need to make it do that. What we're going to do is you'd go to Local Disk, Windows, System32, Drivers, and then the etc. or etc file. And we're going to edit our hosts file. So I'm going to open up Sublime Text 2. And we also need some more information. We need, out of terminal, we need our local IP address for MAMP. So I'm going to type ifconfig in terminal and hit enter. And what you're looking for is this number right here. It's going to be 10.0.something.something. For me, it's 10.0.1.131. So what we want to do here is type 10.0.1.131, and I'm going to type in here local.org and hit save, but we're going to get this error. So this is a system level file. A security setting on here is making it so I can't save this. That's ultimately good, but not great for us. I'm going to close Sublime. I'm going to come down here. You can see I already have Sublime Text 2. If you don't have it, you can just start typing Sublime. I'm going to right click and run as administrator. I go through the prompt and see it's already popped up with what I had before. So now I can hit save and refresh. If I look under overview, it's still not, so let's actually close Firefox. I have found once in a while you have to close it first. And now if we look down in the bottom corner, you can see I'm getting local.martinique/overview. That's how you can set up testing in your local environments. For Windows, I'm currently running Windows 7 and an IE8 testing environment. This will also work for my IE8 window in the back, or for Firefox, or for any other browser you're running here. So if you want to add another site, you'd have to again add 10.0.1.131 and then whatever domain you're mapping. You also need to have that domain mapped inside MAMP, which I've shown you in a previous screencast. Thanks for watching.